Hey, welcome to the Full Wealthy Life Shop, and today I'll discuss master slides using Keynotes. I'll tell you what they are, I'll tell you why you should use them and when you should use them. I'll also show you how I use them to help speed up the process with making planners, calendars, or any of my digital creations. So we're going to go here and we'll make one starting from scratch. So I'll just click a presentation. Now, what a master slide is, it is a template. So if you think of it like a template, that might help you out. When I first learned about master slides, it was very confusing. So thinking of it as a template really helped me to understand what I was doing and what I was working with. So here let's change this. I want to actually change the ratio. So okay, so we're going to pretend that we're going to make a planner. So I'm going to add. So here is my beautiful planner cover. And then let's make some tabs. So here we have our tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then let's say that I want to create a monthly slide template. So there are two ways that you can get to the templates, to the master slide screen. You can go here, and then this takes you to the master slide. You can hit edit master slide here. We'll do that. And so this takes you to where the master slides live. And how you will know if you're in the presentation versus the master slide is up here. So right up at the top, it says edit master slide. And that's the master slide's name, title, and subtitle. I'm gonna come out of here just to show you the difference. Presentation 9 is our presentation. We haven't named it yet, but this is the presentation that we're in. Let's name it. This is the planner. So this is the planner, and that was the first way you can get to the master slides. And another way you can get to the master slides is by clicking over here and click Edit Master Slides. It's gonna take you to the same place. So now you can tell that you're in the master slides because here at the top it says edit master slides, and that's the name of the master slides. Now, all of these over here are master slides that Keynote automatically put into your presentations as slides and templates that you could pick from. So what we want to do is we want to create one that we can pull from ourselves. So let's go back to the beginning. So why you would use master slides. It helps, one, to decrease the time it takes. So let's say I want to make a monthly slide. Let's say this is January, February, March, and April. Let's say I have all 12, but for the sake of this demonstration purposes. So if I want to have the January, February, March, and April, I know each of these slides, they're going to have a table for the month. Let's say that. Now, the things that you want to put into a master slide are things that are going to stay consistent through multiple slides. So what's going to stay consistent through our monthly slide is the template of the months. So we're still in the presentation. And then I'm gonna go back to the master slides, edit master slides. So I have a master slide. Oh, I don't. It deleted itself. Rename. And we'll call this cover. Done. Okay, and then while I'm here, I'm gonna also copy, paste. Let's say that I'm going to also make a master slide called months. So then here, let's just go ahead and add a table, just so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so pretend this is the calendar for the months. And then we're going to rename this month. So we'll know this is our monthly template. Okay, and now another template that I might need, let's say if I'm going to do a weekly one. We'll just copy, paste, rename. Let's call this weekly. Okay, so for the weekly one, let's delete that. Let's just put some symbols. You're going to put whatever you need to put on yours. I'm just trying to pick something nice and easy to differentiate the pages for you. All right. Weekly spread. Okay, so let's go out of here. We made our templates. I have a cover template, I have a month template, I have a weekly template, and I usually just make a cover template so I have something blank that doesn't have anything on it if I'm going to make another type of slide. All right, so we're still in our master slides, and we're going to hit done to come out of the master slide. Now we're back in the planner. This is the planner. We're in the planner. Okay, so this is the cover page, and now I want to make a page for January. Here, I will go to the plus button, and so that I do not have to recreate the spread, so that I do not have to copy and paste. Now, you can just copy and paste. However, that is going to increase the size of your file. So in order to decrease the size of your file and to save you time, this is where we create the templates, aka the master slides. So I just want a month. So we're going to add month. I should delete that. Okay, so those words, they're on that master slide. So that's going to show up on every time. And I don't want that to show up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit my master slide. Let me see, move this. Those words are right there. Delete, delete. All right, put this back. Done. Okay. So when I pull that in again, it won't be there. So now what's going to be different for each month will be, let's say, the actual month. So we'll put January here. We'll just write Jan. Make it a little bigger. See if that you can see it better. All right, it's probably not better, but. All right, so this is the January one. And then I want to make, let's say I want to now make the weekly slides for January. So now I'm gonna go to January. I'm gonna go to the plus sign, and then I'll add a weekly template. Same thing, that little double tap thing is there. Now I'm gonna show you another benefit of using master slides. So let's say that's the first week. I want to add another one for the second week, third week, fourth week. We'll say there's a fifth week. Now, oops, I have this on there and I don't want this on the template on the background. So another way that this saves you time is I can make changes to multiple slides at once. So instead of having to go back and make changes to each of these 5 weekly spreads that I just made, I can just go to edit master slide, and we're on the weekly spread, and I'm just going to go and delete that text that's underneath here. I delete it one time off of the master. All right, move that back. Done. So every single page that I had put down that had this master slide, the change takes effect on every single one of those pages. Can you see that? Every single one of those pages that I click, the change takes effect. So just a quicker way to do it. So that we were in January. So and those are the weeks for January. Now I need to add another monthly. So now we're going, this is going to be March. No, there is such thing called February, y'all. February. All right, so that's February. Now I want to add the weekly slides for February. So to add another week, add week, is that 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, yep, 4. And I'd like to do 5. 5. There. Now what we'll do is let's go back and let's link them. What I like to do is I like to create all of the slides that I'm going to use in my planner calendar creation and then do the linking at the end. So, and you can link 2 ways. You can actually link in the master slide, or you can link on top, just by place, like how we place January. Because this is considered on top. The master slide, I can't edit anything on this master slide from this page because you'll get this this error. This object can be edited on the master slide only. So if I want to actually edit this red, green, yellow, pink, blue, this thing right there, I have to go to the master slide to do that because that is the template. However, this January is not the template. They're just assets that I'm putting on top of the template. So, like I said, you can add the links to the master slide or on top of the template. They're going to work either way. I add links to the master slide if they are consistent links that are going to stay consistent throughout multiple pages. And this actually is going to stay consistent throughout multiple pages. So I'm going to go to the monthly master slide, and I'm going to add links. Hold on. The thing is, you got to remember the page numbers on this. So January is 2 and February is 8. All right, so let's go back to the master slide. And you can get to any master slide from any page because it will be listed here, all of your master slides. So you can rotate like this to any of the master slides through any page, actually. So I want to go to the monthly master slide, and I think I said 2 and 8. So we're going to create links. We'll just make that, and we'll link that to page 2. And then this is going to be February. We'll link that to page 8. And actually, I'm just going to put the text here so we know what it is. Jan. Feb. All right, so every template that I use this monthly template for, it's going to have that. So in the demo mode, when I'm in the planner, this is my cover. And let's say we want to go to February. We click February and it takes us there. If we want to do Jan, we click Jan and it took us to the January one. So now, let's come out of this. And we're back in here. Now we want to create March. And you will go on and on. I think you get the... I hope that you understand the process that I'm doing and how creating the master slides helps to speed up the process. So this video I told you what master slides were. I showed you why you would use them and how you would use them. And I hope that you're able to take this information and use them in your creative projects. All the best to you.